To replace the left rear door torsion spring on your Troy-Bilt lawn mower, you will need vice grip pliers, a hammer, and a large flathead screwdriver. Your first step is to remove the grass bag, if applicable. Now lift up the rear door and place the vice grip pliers on the pivot rod. You can use the hammer to strike the pliers to slide the pivot rod out through the right side of the rear axle support. With the end of the rod accessible, you can use the pliers to fully remove the rod. With the rod removed, you can lift off the rear door and remove the old torsion spring, if still intact. To install the new torsion spring, insert it into the slot in the door and rotate clockwise to seat it. You can use the large flathead screwdriver to push the end of the spring into place. Now realign the door on the axle support, making sure the end of the springs are positioned on the outside edge of the support. You can use the screwdriver to help do this. Reinsert the pivot rod through the right side of the support and tap it into place with the hammer. You may need to use the screwdriver to help fully seat the rod. With the rod in place, confirm the rear door rotates freely, and your lawn mower should be ready for use.